What is going on YouTube? My name is Mike and I am very excited to bring to you a brand new YouTube channel, Bare Basic Lawns. Because here at Bare Basic Lawns, we are just looking to do the bare basic minimum, but giving your lawn a great, healthy look. Times are tough, people are on a budget. Here at Bare Basic Lawns, we will be going over unboxing videos, reviews, assembly videos, tips and tricks, blogs, you name it, it will be here. Little backstory, my wife and I moved into this house in September of 22. They installed Bermuda grass. I did not do a thing to the grass. I just mowed and watered. That was about it. Come last year, I got sick of the lawn the way it was looking, so I decided to do something about it. I fertilized a little bit more. I went to my big box stores. I purchased some weed killer, got rid of some spurge, broadleaf weeds, crabgrass, you name it. It was in the lawn. Come this year, we will be going over a full season of leveling, core aeration, you name it, it will be here to help you along the way, just like me for my process here in Southeast Texas to get your lawn looking great, but at the bare basic minimum. Today we will be reviewing the RYOBI 18 volt, 14 inch dethatcher slash aerator. I like the idea of having batteries. I didn't want to have a bunch of cords and enough cord to run through the lawn and have all the cords in your way while you're aerating or dethatching. I just wanted to have a clean setup for batteries. And I chose this because I have RYOBI products. I have RYOBI batteries. This comes with two 4AH batteries. I have multiple batteries myself that I can swap in and out if it comes to that point. But I just chose this because I like the idea of batteries. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. All right, I went ahead and took everything out of the box here. I wanted to go through and show you everything that comes in the box. We have the verticutter, charger, two 4AH batteries, your handles, hardware, instruction manual, grass catcher, clippings catcher, and also your machine. And on the bottom machine, it already comes assembled with your tines for dethatching. Let's go ahead and get this assembled. All right, let's go ahead and get this assembled. First, you're going to take your handles here. Make sure to grab the ones with the grooves like this. It faces out. And you will go ahead and put it along here in these holes on the side here, just like so. Next, you will take your bolt here and you will just put it through the hole and screw it into place like so. Just make sure it's nice and snug. Don't want to force feed. Make sure it threads nice and it will lock into place. Do the same on the other side. Like so. Next step will be the top handle here. You are going to take two of your bolts. You will unscrew them from the housing like so. You will take your handle, place it like so, and you will take your bolt and place it through the bottom. Take your knob. You know what? I want to switch this around. I like the green. That's one thing about RYOBI that I love is the neon green. So I will have the outside having a nice RYOBI green. and you will screw it into place. Use an extra set of hands here, but you will just assemble it like so. Try and thread that bolt. Might need to put a little bit of pressure and somehow don't over thread it like how I almost just did. But once you feel it screw into place, it'll all come together like so. Give it a nice twist, make sure it's nice and snug, and then grab your other bolt here, place it through. You will guide it to make it go through. Make sure you see it and align it just like so. Push it together, and you will screw it together like so, just like that. All right, our next and final step is to assemble the control handle here to the top handle. Just make sure to place your cord on the outside. You'll put the grooves together and you'll place your bolt through the holes, and I will do the same. Oh, yeah. Backwards there. You'll place them through the hole. Do the same for the other side. And you will just screw it all together. There we go. Screw it together. Do the same on the other side here. And there you have it. It is fully assembled. The only last thing to do is it has little clips here for the cord. Just go ahead and just clip it so that your cord doesn't get tangled up along a fence, a tree, whatever the case may be. I'll give it just a little, give it a little bit here. And there you have it. It is assembled. Next, I want to go ahead and show you how to swap out your vertic cutter slash scarifier with the dethatcher tines. All you will need is just the Allen wrench that is provided in the box. Let's go ahead first and verify that the machine is safe for operating on. As you can see, no batteries. We will also, as an extra precaution, take out the start key. It does have a start key that you do need to have inside in order for the machine to work with the batteries. We will go ahead and remove it just to make sure that our machine is safe for operation. Let's go ahead and swap this out. All right, our first step here is that we are going to take our Allen wrench. We will remove the screws up here remove the bracket here, just like so. We will place those off to the side and we will move on to the next step. All right, our next step is that we will remove your dethatcher tines. All you're going to do is pull away, releasing it from its place and gently lifting it out of its other place. Just make sure to be careful, try not to damage anything, and it should just pop out just like that. Very self-explanatory. It only goes in one way. You will link up the corresponding parts to its place. It will only go in one way. You will simply just put it in. Be careful, these blades are sharp, and just pop it into place just like that. Your last and final step, you will screw it all into place. You will take your bracket here, you will place it up at the top. You will take your screws and just screw it all back into place. Take your other screw and screw it into place. Give it a nice snug. Make sure the other screw is in there snug. And if you want, flip your Allen wrench around and make sure to torque it down so that it is in there. Just make sure not to over tighten it, as the piece is plastic. You don't want to crack it, and that should all be tight and snug into place. And there you have it, our RYOBI 18-volt, 14-inch dethatcher aerator machine. It is fully assembled and ready to kick off the 2025 season. I am very excited. In a short while, when the season finally kicks off, it was just snowing last week here in Southeast Texas. Once the season kicks up, we will have a review and a video demonstrating how this works. I am very excited. So until then, stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell for more notifications here on Bare Basic Lawns, and we will catch you in the next video.